Welcome aboard to another episode of my Dream Cruise Diary series. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the perfect itinerary for day 2 morning after breakfast. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment as I reveal the absolute 10 must-do activities to make your cruise experience unforgettable. Stick around till the end for a complete plan to ensure you make the most out of your time on board. Let's dive right in and turn your day 2 morning into an adventure you'll cherish forever. After indulging in a delicious breakfast, let's embark on an exploration of level 6. However, please note that the duty-free shops are currently closed as the ship is docking at Port Dickson Port. But fret not, there's still plenty to see and do as we navigate through this vibrant deck. Looks like even the casino isn't open for gambling excitement, as we're not cruising in international waters. I can imagine those aunties and uncles might be feeling a tad restless without their usual entertainment. Anyway, I am not here for casino. Let's brainstorm some alternative activities to keep everyone entertained and make the most of our time together. You can still apply for the Resort World card to use later for few game of jackpots. The absence of casino activities doesn't mean there's a shortage of entertainment options. Setting up a dedicated area for Chinese mahjong can be an excellent idea to keep the aunties and uncles engaged and entertained. Center stage aboard our cruise ship offers a diverse array of entertainment options to captivate passengers of all ages and interests. From live performances and talent shows to interactive workshops and game shows, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Guests can also indulge in themed parties, cultural performances, and culinary delights through cooking demonstrations. Let's head up to floor 16 and explore the outdoor swimming pool. As we step onto the deck, we're greeted by the sight of many passengers already enjoying the pool and soaking up the morning sun. It's a vibrant scene, filled with laughter and relaxation. Whether you're looking to take a refreshing dip, lounge by the poolside with a refreshing drink, or simply bask in the warm rays of the morning sun, there's no shortage of ways to unwind and enjoy this beautiful space. So, let's grab our swimsuits and join in on the fun. Whether you're swimming laps or simply floating leisurely, the outdoor pool on floor 16 is the perfect spot to start your day on a refreshing note. Let's head over to the arcade games area for some thrilling entertainment. Whether you're a fan of classic arcade games like Pac-Man and Space Invaders or prefer more modern challenges like racing simulators and virtual reality experiences, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Step into a world of excitement and friendly competition as you try your hand at various games and aim for the high score. Challenge your friends or family to a game of air hockey, test your skills on the basketball hoops, or immerse yourself in the latest gaming adventures. With a wide selection of games and activities available, the arcade is the perfect place to spend quality time and create unforgettable memories. Before we dive into the arcade gaming fun, let's keep in mind that each game requires the use of your access card for scanning, but be prepared as the cost per game can add up quickly. While the excitement of playing may be irresistible, it's essential to budget wisely to ensure that we can enjoy our gaming experience without overspending. Consider setting a limit on how much you are willing to spend on arcade games to avoid any unexpected expenses. You might also want to prioritize your favorite games or select those with the best value for entertainment. Remember, it's all about having a great time while being mindful of our expenses. Let's enjoy the arcade games responsibly and make the most of our gaming experience without breaking the bank. Let's head back to the captain's desk for another chance to witness the mesmerizing sight of the captain navigating the cruise ship. Since yesterday evening was quite late and the windows were closed, we didn't get the opportunity to enjoy the panoramic view of the ship's operation. As we make our way to the captain's desk, let's keep our eyes peeled for any announcements or schedules regarding when the windows will be open for viewing. Once we're there, we'll be treated to a breathtaking display of the captain and crew skillfully steering the ship through the open waters. It's a truly fascinating experience to witness the intricate maneuvers and coordination involved in operating such a massive vessel. So, let's not miss this chance to gain a deeper appreciation for the skill and precision of our ship's crew as they navigate us safely to our next destination. Let's not forget to explore the cruise gym for a rejuvenating workout session.
Besok Western food ada. What best you?
Let's head to Umi Uma for lunch, a delightful dining experience that promises to tantalize your taste buds with its delectable offerings. While Umi Uma is a pay meal restaurant, the culinary delights it serves up are well worth the price. Prepare to indulge in a feast of exquisite Japanese cuisine, from fresh sushi and sashimi to mouth-watering grilled dishes and savory noodle bowls. The menu at Umi Uma is carefully curated to showcase the finest ingredients and authentic flavors of Japan, ensuring a dining experience that's both satisfying and memorable. By warming up the audience before diving into the cooking demonstration, the head chef can create a lively and inviting atmosphere that sets the stage for a truly memorable culinary experience. Let's settle in and enjoy the cooking demonstration presented by the talented chefs on board. As they guide us through the preparation of delicious dishes, we'll have the opportunity to learn new cooking techniques, discover flavor combinations, and gain insight into the culinary arts. An interactive and entertaining demo on the art of Japanese fried rice. Our skilled chefs will lead a live cooking demonstration, inviting audience participation at every step. Learn the secrets to perfect fried rice, unleash your creativity with unique flavor combinations, and engage in fun challenges for a memorable culinary experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to savor delicious fried rice creations and embark on a culinary adventure like no other.
Oh.
Embark on a gastronomic adventure aboard the Umi Uma Dream Cruise, where the flavors of Japan come alive in a sensational culinary experience. From the artistry of sushi and teppanyaki to the crispy perfection of tempura and the smoky delights of rabatayaki, indulge in a feast for the senses. With small plates inspired by izakaya culture and sweet treats to savor, every bite is a celebration of Japanese cuisine's rich heritage and exquisite flavors. Join us as we navigate the seas of culinary delight and immerse ourselves in the unforgettable tastes of Japan.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Do you want?
Thank you for watching today's video on the Genting Dream Cruise series. We're thrilled you enjoyed it. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest episodes and adventures on board. We can't wait to see you again for more exciting experiences. Until next time, safe travels, and happy cruising.